Hey guys, this is Miss Brown Butterfly 1. I am here to do an unboxing. I'm not sure if you guys are blurry. I hope not. But I'm here to do an unboxing with you guys. Sorry I'm not on camera, but I'm just waking up because there was a knock at the door. So I said, well, let me grab my camera and do an unboxing because I've been waiting on this. I'm so excited. I just got it. I'm doing an unboxing of my Coach Derby bag or Derby bag. And I'm a member of the Coach outlet. So, what is this calling? The Coach outlet. And let me tell you the name of this bag. It is called the Derby bag. Tote. It's the Derby tote. And the wallet also. So yes, I'm going to open the wallet first. And this is in my favorite color. And that is red. So this is the large, I don't know if they call it a coin purse, but I call it the large wallet because it got way you can put cards in it. So yeah, it's a wristlet. That's what they call it, a wristlet. So it is in the red, and it got the gold Coach emblem there. And then this is the inside. And like I said, it has a slot where you could put your cards and stuff at. So yeah, this is the official Coach card. And this retails for $78. But I had a $10 off. This is the Coach card. And I guess this is the, what do you call that thing? You go through the door and it goes off. Theft prevention. So yeah, I got this one here. And it was originally retail for $78. I think I bought this was like $21. No, $19. It was $19 for this. The wallet or the little wristlet. So yeah, red, got that. And then the Derby bag, it was on the website for I think $89, something like that. But the total came to $81.31 because I had that $10 coupon. If you spend over $100, then you get $10 off. So with taxes and everything, it came to $118 and some change. So yes, this is the bag, and it is red. I'm excited. I've been waiting on this bag, and I'm just like, I'm so excited. I love me a big bag. And this is, there's the Coach. Can you guys see that? Coach is down there. I don't know why I thought it was up here. But that right there. And then here is the tag. I'm going to do it with my scissors. This is the tag right here. You know how Coach tag all their bags. And this is a metal thing. So I don't really want to put these scissors in there. And scratch it up. So now I can put the scissors and cut it off. So that's the Coach tag. And this is the handles. Oh, I'm excited. Excuse me. And this is just the stuffing in the bag. But this bag retails for $295. It retails for $95. So it's leather through and through, and this is just the stuffing right there. That is just the stuffing. And I'm going to see if I can push you guys back a little, and so you guys can get the good feel of it. So yeah, this is a all leather red Coach bag, and I love it. Now the only thing that I don't particularly like is that they don't come with the dust bags. But I got plenty dust bags. When you buy from the outlet store, they don't come with the dust bags. Why, I do not know. But this is the Coach tag right here. And this is just the stuffing. Oh my God, this bag is gorgeous. Look at this bag. And it's leather. I'm going to try my best not to beat it up. And the only thing, it don't have the feet on it either. But that's okay, because I don't take my bags and just throw them around. Yeah, but this is the inside. And it's got a little pocket on the inside. Right here. What is in there? Oh, that must be the tag. I mean, the card. Coach card that's in the inside. And like I said, this bag retailed for, where's the tag? $295. I bought it for $81. And you know, I go for the bags that are not really the trending bags, the trending styles. I always go for something, you know, that I can wear year after year after year. So see, this right here is going to be perfect because, you know, I can put my, not my laptop, my tablet and my appointment book and the rest of my stuff I can put in here and just call it a day. But yeah, I love it. And it snaps like that. It snaps closed. And it is just a really nice, and I got to be careful not to, well, I doubt if I have to be that careful, but it is a leather bag that I'm so excited to have. And it is not that stiff leather. It is so very nice. Where's my, because I can just take that box and put it somewhere so if I have something to ship. So next time when they have a sale, and probably it'll be another month or two, because the last bag I bought, it was the satchel, Bennett satchel bag, and it was in that tan leather, like it was tan leather. So yeah, I got that one. So the next time I'm going to go out there and buy me a wallet that I can use with both bags. But that Bennett bag, it is so delicate. So I don't really carry that one often. But when I'm going out somewhere with my husband, I'll grab it and carry it. But for everyday use, nah. I'm afraid, for one, that I might get it, you know, dirty. And then I don't want to rough up the handles because it's such a nice bag. I can't. But anyway, that's not about this. It's about this one. So I'm so very glad I got this red bag, red Coach bag. Yeah, and it was just a gift for me because I worked very, very hard. And I'm deserving of it. And I didn't pay full price for it. I feel like I got a steal because I'm a Coach connoisseur. And the next one, once I'm on a different level from here, I'm going to go to another bag. But right now, I'm a Coach girl. I love them. I love them. I love them. And this is my unboxing of my Coach Derby bag. You guys go out there on CoachOutlet.com and register, and they'll send you emails on when they have sales. Because I missed the sale. I think I missed the sale that was on for the 18th or the 19th, and it ended. No, it was like the 15th, and then it ended on the 20th, and then I caught the sale on the 23rd, and I had this in my cart, but it was late night, and then I didn't worry about it because it, you know, it just didn't. If it was for me, it was for me. But then the sale came back on the 23rd of March. So I bought it then, and today is the 27th. So shipping is very, very quick and fast. So yeah, I got this. I ordered it on the 23rd. I got it on the 25th. So you do 27th. You guys do the math. Very fast shipping. Yes. So yes, guys, that is my unboxing of my Coach Derby bag and my red wristlet. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this. And don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and also don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you guys. Miss Brown Butterfly 1. Bye-bye.